hello in this video, and what I have in front of me is the Nike Comfort Slide 2. Okay, so as you can see, the color is black and it has a silver or gray, whatever you prefer, Nike symbol, and then like a gold, like fading into, it's really darker than what it is, but I'm trying to get this color right, something like that. It's a little bit darker though, but like a brown, and then it like fades into like a lighter brown or whatever. So yes, just some information about Nike if you don't know. So the company was founded on January 25th of 1964, and it was originally as Blue Ribbon Sports by Bill Bowerman and Phil Knight, and changed the name, and then officially became Nike on May 30th, 1971. What is going? I'm trying to okay. This looks so washed out. Alright, so at first it was Blue Ribbon Sports, okay, got that part, and it officially became Nike Inc. on May 30th, 1971. And the company took its name, Nike, and it was from the Greek goddess of victory. So you can, explain of why they chose this as a Nike sign. So Nike is from a Greek goddess, I'm sorry, and it means victory. Okay, and Bowerman made the first pair of shoes to a student athlete that he coached at a university. So Bowerman been, been making shoes. So I thought, like, okay, this man already knew what he was doing. You know what I'm saying? So Nike's been in the company for, as you can tell, for a very long time. And then, as it branches out with different styles and collabs and stuff like that. So when I saw the shoe, the first thing that I saw was the comfort. This part right here. Oh my gosh. You know what I mean? This shoe has to be one of the most comfortable shoes, slides ever. They did that. Like, this shoe gives me so much comfort. Like, sometimes I wear it with socks, sometimes I wear it without socks, especially if you've been on your feet all day, and you're active and doing all kind of active stuff, and you're just like, oh my gosh, I don't want to get out of my sneakers and get into something a little bit more comfortable. These slides are it. So a little bit information about the slides if you are curious. So it comes with an adjustable strap, so if you need something loose, if you need something tighter, you can easily just, undo the strap. I like where mine's at, so I'm not going to do it all the way. But, just adjust it by, taking the straps off and, adjusting it to your liking. And it comes with an upper and memory foam footbed. So, upper up here, as you can, maybe I should unstrap it. Okay, see it from here, because it's just like where it is right now. But let me try to do this and then zoom in a little bit. So a little washed out there. We'll clear this up a little bit. So washed out. Okay, yeah, let's just do that. Okay, I think my hand has something to do with it too. So looks like I'm just gonna do it anyway. This part right here. So it is adjustable, but it's soft right there and right here. So it's like that. It's not tough at all, and you can feel it once you slide your foot on in it. And it's a Phylon outsole with flex screws for durable fraction. So this right here, the material is Phylon. Some people say it two different ways, but yeah, it's just a material of that's like a soft, not squishy, but just something like firm, but it's really soft on your foot. And I mean, I'm just gonna say, like, this shoe is, it is very comfortable. Like, man, like, there was times where I walked a while, like, I was going, like, throughout the whole day, and I just had those slides on just because, like, I just wanted to put on some slides. Like, I just wanted, like, my feet to be out and free and, not in any sock or sneaker or, just not even, I don't know, like one of those strappy, girly sandals, or I don't know. I just wanted something comfortable, and this is it. Can you feel the difference between with your sock goes on and off? I mean, if you take your sock off, I mean, you're gonna know exactly what the sole feels like on your foot. But if you chose to wear socks, you're still gonna get that same comfort, because I wear these in the winter with some socks. Yes, in the winter time. And my feet is just completely fine. I mean, yeah, sometimes I get cold, but when I have on my heavy socks, my thick socks, and then when I wear this, I'm set. I'm good to go. So, again, this is the Nike Comfort Slide 2, and I know they have different colors as well. I believe they have like white, and I really don't know what other ones. I know they have white, but I just wanted the black because I like black is like one of my favorite colors. But yep, alrighty then.